Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to enable JavaScript on GoDaddy. All right, let's begin. To start, JavaScript is not enabled directly through GoDaddy, but rather through your browser settings. If you're using Chrome, open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then Site Settings, and make sure JavaScript is set to Allowed. Next, check your browser extensions. Some ad blockers or privacy extensions can interfere with JavaScript, so try disabling them temporarily. It also helps to clear your browser's cache and cookies, as outdated data can sometimes block JavaScript from working properly. If the issue continues, try switching to a different browser to see if the problem is isolated. And finally, if none of these solutions work, contact GoDaddy support. They can provide guidance specific to your account or check for server-side issues. So that's basically how you can enable JavaScript on GoDaddy. That's it for this video. Thanks.